today I have got something exciting for you. I recently got full access to the members area of GPTizerr, and in this video, I'm going to take you inside and show you exactly what's included. I will be reviewing the whole tool so you can know for yourself whether it's worth your time and money or not. So, if you're curious about GPTizerr, stick around because we are going to explore everything together. And before we dive deeper, I want to let you know that if you decide to purchase GPTizerr through my link, I have got two exclusive bonuses just for you, totally free. First bonus is Page Builderizer, an in-depth video tutorial that shows you how to build any kind of web page affordably and quickly for your products or services. This means you can learn faster and start building your customer list right away. This alone is a $57 value. And the second bonus is Lead Flow Catalyzer, a powerful training that teaches you how to create lead magnets and post them on a secret website that drives traffic for you. With this, you can create videos that act as tripwires to your affiliate offers, making your audience eager to buy. Plus, you get to build your list at the same time. This bonus is worth $79. So when you grab GPTizerr through my link, you get these true valuable trainings on top to help you launch faster and grow your audience matter. If you're interested or want to check it out, you can find the link in the video description below anytime during the video. So now let's talk about what exactly is GPTizerr. Well, it's basically like a shortcut for anyone who wants to start selling their own digital products but doesn't want to get stuck in all the boring complicated stuff. Think about it like this. Instead of spending weeks stressing over what to sell or how to create it and how to find customers, GPTizerr uses AI to speed up the entire process. Whether you want to make courses, guides, templates, or toolkits, it helps you put it all together super quickly, even if you have never done it before. And it doesn't stop there. GPTizerr shows you step by step how to list and launch your product on popular marketplaces like Audio Plus. And the best part, you don't need to spend money on ads. Plus, it's not just a bunch of videos and tools dumped on you. There is actual training, ready-made templates, smart AI prompts, and even traffic strategies included. If you want to take it further, there are options to get done for you products, become a reseller, keeping 100% of the profits, get personal coaching from the creator, or join a mastermind group to connect with other sellers. Basically, it's like having a full toolkit and mentor combined, so you can go from zero ideas to actually selling your own digital products way faster without wasting months figuring everything out on your own. First up, the welcome video inside GPTizerr is like your quick tour and orientation to everything inside the platform. Chris kicks things off by thanking you for grabbing GPTizerr and points out two key things right away. One, to subscribe to their YouTube channel, and two, to join the private Facebook group. Then Chris gives you a clear overview of what the training covers. Alright guys, so the second video inside GPTizerr is called Build the Selection of Your Product. And honestly, this one is a real eye-opener. Chris flips the usual product creation process on its head. Most people think I need to make my product first, then figure out how to sell it. But Chris says that's exactly why so many people get stuck. They spend forever perfecting their content only to realize later their sales system isn't even ready. Instead, he teaches you to build the selection first, meaning set up your sales funnel before you create the actual product. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the furniture, you start with the foundation and frame. In online business, that foundation is your sales page, your upsells, downsells, payment setups, and email list connection. Chris walks you through how to make this 3 to 4 step funnel work before filling it with content. The genius here is that you can test everything from buy buttons to payment gateways to automated email list building without having the product done yet. This means no nasty surprise when you launch. He shows exactly how to set this up using Audio Plus, but the same logic works anywhere. You will see step by step how to create a product listing, set categories, choose keywords, connect payment processes like Stripe or PayPal, and even a clever trick where your content is gated behind an opt-in page to keep building your email list. The big takeaway: once your funnel works perfectly and is capturing leads, then you put your real product in there. This approach can save you weeks of frustration and get you launching way faster. Alright, so the next training inside GPTizerr is called Next Step Get a Whiteboard. And it's basically Chris showing you how to map out your whole product creation and launch plan visually before you start building anything. And no, this isn't just about doodling ideas, it's about creating a clear step-by-step roadmap so you are not winging it. The main idea here is easy execution, easy launch dates. Chris wants you to simplify your process so you can actually launch faster instead of getting stuck in endless prep. He also ties this into a tripwire recurring model, meaning you start with something small and affordable to get buyers in the door and then move them into ongoing recurring revenue offers like group coaching or done for you subscription. So the next training inside GPTizerr is called Launch a Product Part 1. In this video, they walk you through the very first steps of launching your own digital product, and honestly, it's quite beginner friendly. First, they show you how to set up your product offer inside a vendor profile like Courier Plus. You will learn where to find the settings, how to fill in, and how to define your offer before doing anything else. Then it gets creative. They use an AI tool kind of like ChatGPT but for images to design your product box art. You will see them test different prompts like adding a barcode, titling the box, or even giving it that retro VHS look to make the product visually stand out. What I liked is that they don't just show you a perfect result, you actually see the trial and error process. So if you are not a design expert, this will make you feel like, hey, I can do this too. Overall, this part of the training is super practical. It takes you from zero to having a polished product image ready to upload using tools anyone can access. In this fourth training, Launch a Product Video 2, he goes deeper into the actual setup phase, and this is where things get really practical. First, you will see how to prepare professional looking product images for your listing. Then the focus shifts to getting your sales page ready, checking that every part of your funnel works perfectly before launch. And the interesting part, they show how to use AI for copywriting. Instead of struggling with words, they use a custom GPT tool to write persuasive sales copy. You will also see how to refine Shorts AI copy into full-length persuasive text, and finally how to move that copy into your WordPress or page builder without formatting issues. So if you have ever wondered how to combine AI plus practical marketing setup to speed up your product launch, this video is packed with actionable steps. In the fifth training video, Launch a Product Video 3, you will see exactly how to take the AI generated sales page copy and bring it to life on an actual sales page using Page Builder. He walks you through step by step how to structure your page, paste in the content, and make it look clean and professional. They show you basic but important page builder skills like adding sections, cloning text blocks, moving elements around, and formatting the text so it's easy to read. Overall, this video is perfect for anyone who has AI generated copy but doesn't know how to make it look good on a real website. It bridges that gap between content and design, helping you create a professional sales page without needing deep technical or coding skills. In the sixth video, Editing a Sales Page, the creator shows exactly how to take a plain sales page and make it look more professional, eye-catching, and user-friendly. Throughout the video, they keep refining the page step by step, which really teaches you that design is all about experimenting until it feels right. Overall, it's a practical hands-on tutorial for anyone who wants to transform a simple sales page into something visually stunning and more engaging for visitors. In this seventh video, linking up new funnel upsell and checking your list, the creator takes you behind the scenes to show the technical backend work that goes into linking a new upsell to your funnel and making sure your product list is set up correctly. You will see how they update and organize product offer settings inside the vendor platform so everything is labeled clearly. You will see how to clone and customize sales page so you don't have to start from scratch when adding an upsell page. You will see how to link the new sales page to the product offer so buyers get directed to the right page instantly. You will see how to configure all the important product details like type, category, keywords, and pricing. And also you will see how to add purchase button HTML codes directly into the sales page selection so the buying process works perfectly. And finally, test the entire funnel flow from clicking the buy button to reaching the access page to make sure nothing is broken before lunch. In this 8th training video, another way to deliver your products, the creator shares a smart budget-friendly method for giving your customers access to your products without paying for expensive membership software. Basically, it's a low-cost, beginner-friendly strategy to deliver products, protect your content, and build a loyal audience, all using free tools you probably already know. Now, here is something I really liked about the training. After you go through all the main lessons on creating your product, setting up the sales page, and delivering it, they don't just leave you hanging. They know the next big question in your mind is, okay, but how do I actually create my website to put all this together? And they have thought about that. Right after the training, you get a complete beginner friendly video on website building. It's a WordPress tutorial for beginners 2025 step by step. So even if you have never touched a website design before, you can follow along and get it done. This extra video is a nice touch because it completes the whole package from your product idea all the way to having a live ready to sell website. So it's not just theory, you walk away with the full setup. Oh, and here is some good news, even better than I expected. I just found out they have added a mega surprise training inside the course, and it's all about email marketing and video marketing. Basically, these are two of the most powerful skills if you want to grow your online business fast. So, apart from everything else you are already getting, you are also getting 8 extra videos packed with strategies on how to attract more leads, engage your audience, and convert them into buyers. I will drop that clip in so you can see exactly what I am talking about. Okay, so now let me break down how the whole GPTizerr offer is structured, especially the funnel with these OTOs. The main product is GPTizerr, is the core training you get for around $17 to $27. It basically teaches you everything from coming up with the product ideas, creating your digital product, launching it, and even driving traffic, all using AI to make things faster and easier. Now, after that, there are some upgrades or OTOs that you can grab if you want to go deeper. The first one is GPTizerr Pro for $47. Gives you advanced stuff like better AI prompts, ready-made product templates like ebooks or courses, real-life case studies of people who launched successfully, and more advanced ways to get traffic. So it's like leveling up your training. Then, if you want to sell GPTizerr yourself and keep all the money, there is the reseller package for $97. It comes with a license that lets you do that, plus ready-made sales pages and marketing materials like email templates and banners, so you don't have to create all that from scratch. For those who want personal help, there is a coaching option at $197 where you get one-on-one time with Chris himself, weekly Q&A sessions, and ongoing support to keep you on track. Finally, there is the mastermind for $297, a private group for serious users where you can network, share advanced strategies, and even get early access to new features and products. So basically, you start with the core training, and then depending on how serious or involved you want to get, there are options to upgrade, get help, or even become a reseller and make your own money selling the product. Alright, so that's my full walkthrough of the members area and all the resources you get inside. Honestly, I think what's impressive here is that they have thought through the whole process from learning how to set up your product and sales page to actually building your website and getting it live. Everything is laid out step by step. So even if you are a beginner, you are not left guessing. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I have left the link in the description. Go ahead and explore it further. And if you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.